Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And please share these videos out. Y'all, this is getting to be very ridiculous. This is so crazy. This is going to be a short video. I got to vent. I got to get this out. Y'all, I've always thought that Crazy Nancy's been hitting the sauce a little bit too much, but it seems like now her and Donald Trump may be hitting it together. The only two things that was still in the way of a stimulus bill was state and local taxes and SALT tax credits. Everything else was good. Everything else was agreed on. Everything was fine except for those two little things. But now Crazy Nancy is wanting stuff that's no way in the world related to COVID. Donald Trump says he is looking forward to the future of our country, and he told Mark Meadows and Steve Mnuchin to stop negotiating with Crazy Nancy until after the election. Then he says he will immediately pass a major stimulus bill that focuses on the hard-working American people. My question to Donald Trump is, why can't you do it now? If you can do it then, you can do it now. Y'all know how I feel about Crazy Nancy. But to say stop negotiating is ridiculous. I wish they would check his meds. He just got out of the hospital. He's on a lot of new meds. I wish they would check them. And take Twitter away from him until all of this is over. Donald Trump also said everything is improving, everything is coming back to normal. I say to that, I wish he would look the people in the face and tell them, the people that's lost everything, the people that's lost their homes, their jobs, and people that's lost their loved ones. People that's living in the streets right now on account of all of this, I wish he would look them in the face one-on-one and tell them everything is coming back and everything is looking good, because it is not. Y'all, this is getting to be ridiculous. To tell them to stop negotiating, that's giving up. I thought he said just the other day, leaders don't give up. He's given up. How does he think this is going to help him get elected? I know him saying that thing about passing a major stimulus package after he gets elected into office sounds great. But if he can't pass a major stimulus package now by himself, why do we supposed to think he can do it by himself after the election? They all got to go. That's all I can say. They all have to go. I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up on the screen now, and please subscribe to my channel. Until tomorrow, it probably won't be another video today. I gotta go take a chill pill. I love you all. Ciao.